Hello, yes, it's Joe here for Joyrider TV. So I went out sailing yesterday with Panos, who is from Patra, just towards the south, a bit from where we are here in Vasiliki. And I wasn't actually going to put a video out of our sail, but the footage we got is absolutely solid gold. So I thought it was too good not to put up on the channel. And I think what we've got here is evidence of, yes, you can sail a 16 with 220 kilos total weight on board, and yes, Panos can take a few hits. So let's have a look at how this looks. That's what I'm talking about. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to Joyrider TV, and there'll be more great stuff coming up soon on Joyrider TV. Thank you very much.